Hello friends, once again welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can recover your forgotten PIN, pattern and password of your smartphone without visit the service center and without any computer. In today's video, I'm going to tell you some such a method of unlocking the locked mobile which is completely different. This unlock method is different because here even after your phone is unlocked, all the data your smartphone had, old data, whatever application was already installed in your phone, you will see in it your phone. Whereas if you unlock your phone through service center or any computer software, then all the apps that were already installed in your phone will be deleted. Although how nowadays this method also being used in the service center, so it is fully certified. With our method you will get the convenience that you don't need to go to the service center. You can recover your lost password sitting at home, as well as you don't have to pay the charges of the service center here. Before revival this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should not battery charge less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this video, you should fully battery charge your phone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would like to tell you, that is a method is updated every month. This method every month updated. So if your phone is not unlocked with the trick, then take help of my upcoming video or old video. For this you may subscribe my channel, and if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do like the video. This gives us lots of encouragement to make the next video to help you the further. Now we can start here how to unlock this phone. You can see here this phone is completely locked with the pattern, and I have forgotten this phone lock. So firstly you have to click on it. Then you may see here there is a option of emergency SOS, that means emergency call option. You have to click on this emergency call option and you have to open a dialing pad. Now you can see here there is a dialing pad. Here are some secret codes to convert your phone on airplane mode. Actually my phone is already on airplane mode, so if your phone is not on airplane mode, then you have to click here star 856312 and 30, then click on hash, then call. You will get a prompt of OK, then OK it. Again do this and click on OK. Again do this and click on OK. You have to follow this step 3 times. Now your phone will become on airplane mode, or you may say that flight mode. After that, if your phone is not comes on airplane mode, then you can slide here down, and from here you can also convert on airplane mode. So this passcode or this secret code is only for the airplane mode, or it may also use for the background application are running. Then you can also use this code to stop the background application. Now you have to clear this. You have to clear this secret code. Now we have to go on engineers mode. In service center language is known as engineers mode, or you may say it a master unlocking code. This code is star hash 899 and hash. After clicking on this, you can see here lots of options from top to bottom, but you have to click on software version. You have to click on software version. You will see here lots of options from top to bottom. Then now your option is you have to go with the Android version. You can see on your phone Android version. There may be written 10, 12 or 13 on your phone according to your phone version, Android version. Here there is written 13. Then you have to click here 13 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Now you have to go on back option. You can see here lots of options. Now the second step is you have to go on manual test option. After going on manual test option, you will see here a lots of option over there. You have to slide it right side and go to the other option. You can see here other option. Now you have to go on below there. You will see main board version. You have to click on main board version 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have to wait for 5 seconds. After waiting for 5 seconds, you can see here the second option. There is written read, write, import, log test. You have to click on this option and you will get a prompt of confirm. You don't have to confirm here. You have to cancel here. Cancel it 1 time. Then again cancel it 2nd time. Then again cancel it 3rd time. Now at the 4th time, you have to click on OK button. Then after clicking on OK button, your forgotten password, pin or pattern may it could be reconstructing. Now you have to go slide left side and slide went to go to the device debugging option. Now you can see here a lots of option, but here you have to go on sensor self-test and calibration option. Now click on sensor self-test and calibration option. You can see here a lots of option over there. You can see here 1, 2 or 3 option, and here written is operation not started. You have to started these options. If you are seeing in your phone one option, then you can to click on one. If you are seeing here 2 option, then you have to click on 2 option. You have to click on it like this, like this, like this. Now you have to click on these options till until you see here test passed prompt. If you see a test passed prompts in any single option, it means your work has been done. Now your phone is completely unlocked. Now the another step is you will see here in the bottom there is a home option. You can see here home option. Now simply you have to click on home. Now you can see here your phone is completely unlocked without any data loss, without any application deleted from past. Now all the application whatever you had installed before the phone logged, you can see here all are saved. You can't going to lose any type of data loss. So this is a very easy process without wasting any service center and without using any computer software. So further this type of video you can subscribe my channel, and please like this video whenever your phone is unlocked due to this method. Thank you very much. See you in next video.